Good morning, guys. I am doing a video today and to see how bad crowds are the week of Easter. And as you can tell, we're already stopped all the way back on the highway still, not even near parking. So this might have been a terrible idea. We will see. I also have no fast passes, so we will see how this day goes. I am telling you, it's going to be very busy. Alrighty, still stuck on the highway. So yeah, it is 9:06 right now. So I did wake up late. I mean, I was at work, guys, till 11:30. So don't blame me for waking up a little late. But the real test is we'll go in, not going on Flight of Passage, but we will see how long Flight of Passage already is. If it's already over 3 hours, it is going to be an insanely busy day. Let's hope not. Or let's hope if it's insanely busy, everyone just goes there. And one more thing, too. I'm just sitting in traffic waiting to get in. I do want to be clear that me and my sister and Mitch, we are going to Hollywood Studios exactly on Easter this Sunday. So I'm going to compare to see how bad the crowds are for like Easter week and Easter, like exactly Easter. And we'll see if there's a difference or if it's all just insane. Alrighty, so I keep inching my way up towards the main gate. And I just want to tell you guys that they have literally every single lane open, and every single lane is full of vehicles. And even the line coming from Animal Kingdom Lodge to get into the park was backed up. So, am I missing something? Something going on here today. Surprisingly, I am in Giraffe, which is not terrible. I'm in the first row of Giraffe parking. So it goes Dinosaur, Giraffe, and then Yeti on the left side. And I'm in the second area, so that's not terrible. It's pretty good, I would say. Once I got through parking, like there was like no one there. So I don't know if there was just a bunch of people that like didn't know what they were doing when they got up to the people who were doing parking. Who knows? Alrighty, so security wasn't bad at all. Security was perfectly fine, but the line to get in is pretty long today. The pass holder line goes all the way back here, so let's probably not go in that one, and we'll see. There's other shorter lines today. Okay, that was my fault actually. There's actually no one in the pass holder line. The other line was just for everyone. The gate next to it, pass holder line, had literally no one at it. So all good, we're already in. I'm going to take you guys into Pandora. I'm not riding either of them. I already heard that Flight of Passage is 180, but we are gonna go, and I want to actually show you the level of people, the amount of people in there already. 180 is pretty insane already. Park's only been open for 30 minutes. Okay, the end of the line for Flight of Passage is right here. It's past Tiffin's.
All the way to the main end.
Okay, so it goes all the way through here. All the way through here. I don't know if it weaves, usually sometimes weaves down by Festival of the Lion King. I don't know if it does, if it will or not. Let's go see how long Navi is. I know we can just look on the app, but visuals are always better. Keeps on going. Okay, it is extremely loud, but Navi River Journey is 65, which is not terrible. That's really not that bad for right now. Having it be Easter, I thought it would be higher right away. So that's pretty average. So I would say, if you're basing the crowd average off of that, I would say it wouldn't be that bad.
That's not bad.
It is safe to say that I will not be coming back today. I thought about eating at the canteen, but let's stay out in traditional Animal Kingdom where it's less crowded. We made it out of Pandora. Now let's go see how the safari line is. I'm not sure. If it's already over an hour, it's gonna be a busy day today, for sure. It is already 10 o'clock though. Sorry, it's very loud right there. It is close to 10 o'clock, so it's gonna have some line because it's already been open for an hour, but typically it's not that. Ooh, it's 75 already. It was a mistake This whole park was a mistake to come to today. Yeah, I don't know if you could see it. 75. No, thank you. Alrighty. Let's just walk through the store and see. So, quick side note, as you know that I did just move down here, and I love these, and I want to get them for my bedroom. There's also a tiger. Yes. And I think I'm going to get them so we can make a whole wall of Animal Kingdom in our bedroom. They also have giraffes down there. The little tiger is 25. The elephant, 35. Larry also does pictures of Animal Kingdom Lodge, which I would love to get for our bedroom. I think I have to go there though for those. This video might be a little boring because I can guarantee you I'm probably not riding any rides today because it is insane. I went to the outlet mall yesterday and I got this exact frame for $9.99. And here it is $29.99. So if you can wait off and not buy here, you may want to wait and go to the outlet mall and get it for a third of the price, which was amazing. I couldn't not get it for $9.99, right? So I just came out of the store right there, and I love this area. There's like no one here. I can walk, I can breathe, I can hear myself. Good area right here. We're gonna head on over to Everest and Dinosaur to see how long those are today. I'm guessing pretty long already. I can always check on the app, but I'm here. Let's get our exercise in, right? Because I'm at least gonna get lunch when I'm here, right? Why would I go home and not eat some good Disney food when I'm here? So here we go. Off to Asia. I would like to say that I was trying to make fast passes, and whoever has Samsung phones, you probably feel me, okay? My fast passes disappear. I make them, gone. As soon as I make them, I can't see them, so I don't know if I actually have them or not. So Disney definitely has to work on the Samsung and the app working at the same time, because I feel like the Disney app is much more, I don't know, it fits better with iPhones. I definitely can't get it to work today, so that's why I do not have any fast passes today. I'm passing up Great Bird Adventure, and if this means anything, which it should, there's already people waiting. There's usually no one ever waiting for that show. Usually if you're walking by it and the show starts soon, you go in. You usually don't wait for that, so that's not a good sign. Line of people right here is to get into Kali. Now it isn't open yet, but it will be. But I am shocked to already see all these people standing here for Kali. It's insane. I mean, I have pants on. It's not like it's warm. It's not that warm out. Got a little shiver. Yeah, that's busy. Wow. That is insane. I'm not sure when it opens. Maybe I'm guessing 10, probably. But since I'm back here, oh, maybe I can't. Yes, I can. Once I'm back here, why don't we go look at some tigers? Huh? You don't wait in line for that. That's something I can manage. So I did ask, and the twins are out. Last time we were here 2 weeks ago, twins weren't out. It was just Mama. So I'll be happy to see them. I haven't seen them in a while. I mean, I do miss them being little babies, but they're still cute. Tigers are still cute. My favorite. Tigers. This way. Also, too, last time we were here, it was very difficult to see. So maybe since it's cooler this morning, maybe they'll be out and ready to play, or at least be seen. They were hiding behind the bushes last time we were here. Last time I was here too, it was very sad because the lions weren't out either in the safari, which is very strange. So I'm hoping to see at least the tigers today, since I'm not getting out of the safari today. I love big cats, if you didn't notice. I literally never noticed the sign. Do we really need that sign? I mean, I would hope we'd be safe if they're letting us walk back here. This is one of my favorite areas. I know I say it every time I come back here, but it's just gorgeous. Yep, you can really only see that one creeping up over the hill over there. Oh, is he getting up? I don't know. Nope. He's pretty lazy today. Very lazy. Remember to look for all the hidden Mickeys in here and here and here. There's a bunch. Jacob and I found a lot last time, but I'm sure there's a lot more where we found them. Oh, this just made me very happy after not seeing the tigers very well. I don't have to walk through the birds. Hallelujah. I'm not a bird person. Definitely not. I am passing Expedition Everest right now, and it's only 45, so I don't know. The lines are kind of throwing me off based on crowd level. 45, I would say, is lower than it could be at 10 o'clock. I don't know. I mean, because there's a ton of people that shouldn't be that are already at the safari, and then there's like 180 for flight of passage. And I bet you there's already there's probably a full show for the 10 o'clock Lion King. So my final decision is that it is busy today. Let's go and see. Let's go hope maybe we can get on Dinosaur. Do one ride at least today, right? I'm over by Dinosaur and it's only 20 minutes. So I think we're actually going to be able to do this one today. I love this one. We're not going to make it. We're not going to make it. We made it. I knew you would. And guess who made it back with you? Better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
Transdimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Secret, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself.
It's literally one of the best smelling attractions. I swear it is. Have you ever guys heard of Magic Candle Company? They really should make a scent with this area right here. So it was a solid 20 minutes. Like, it wasn't just saying 20, it really was 20. Woo, we got it! We're not gonna make it! We're not gonna make it! We made it!
You made it!
I knew you would. I guess you made it back with you.
I better find it before security does. Thanks for everything.
Dinosaur's always a fun ride. Love it. The row is all the way on the far side of the camera, so I'm probably not going to insert my picture because you're not really going to see me in that one. So back to looking at wait times. Primeval Whirl is a lovely 55 minutes. That's one of Jacob's favorites. Just kidding, I know you hate it.
You don't want it yet? Okay.
But I always think of you when I look at it. Let's see how long Triceratops spin is. 10 minutes. Well, actually, there's like somewhat of a line, which is weird because usually there is no line. Definitely not going to want to be here past lunch today because it's going to get warm and it's going to get extra busy. Okay, so I was back by Restaurantosaurus, but I think I'm going to just head over for lunch. I'm going to go to Pizza Safari. I think I'm just going to get a kids meal, and I can get the same kids meal that I was going to get at Restaurantosaurus. And I also will be closer to the exit then. They also have, I have never noticed this, but I also haven't eaten at Pizza Safari in a long time. They have this new mandarin orange lemonade. It sounds just like something I would like, so I would like to try it. I'll show you guys the menu where there's like no one here. Mostly pizza. I'm gonna get the kids mac and cheese. The lemonade right there. You can also get that without alcohol, which is what I'm really hoping to get because it looks really good. But yeah, I'm gonna be here right away at when they start serving because with how busy it is today, I have a feeling the line's gonna get really long. Like it's gonna be all of this weaving space right here. Okay, I lied. I didn't get the lemonade because I got this beautiful Simba Cupcake. There's finally a cupcake, like a specialty cupcake that's not chocolate. There hasn't really been one since the Olaf one, so I was happy to see that it was a vanilla cupcake. Thank God. And then I got cookie and grapes and a mac and cheese and a water, all for $13.51. The cupcake cost the same amount as all of my kids' meal put together, so. But hopefully it's good. All right, let's try this cupcake. That was very good. It's very moist. Worth the extra $5 for the cupcake. Oh my god. I just feel bad. I don't want to eat his face. Oh well. I'm gonna have to eat his face, but it's really good. Oh my god, this is one of the best cupcakes I've ever had. Okay, I tried to see what the Simba was made of, and it's just like a piece of, ooh, focus. It's just, I don't know, like a really thin layer of like frosting or something, so I destroyed his face. Oh well. It was gonna happen eventually. Okay, I finished my lunch, and I did just check wait times, and Flight of Passage is $225. Safari and Navi River Journey are $110. Kali is $60. Everest is $50. Dinosaur is $45. So all those times mean it's time for me to go, because I'm not waiting in any of those for sure. But my lunch is very good. The cupcake was very good. I ate most of the cupcake part and not the frosting, because there's also frosting in the middle of that cupcake, so it was plenty. And that cupcake on top of that on top of the actual cake part was like, I don't know, a solid 2 inches of frosting. So I didn't actually need that. So, but the actual cake part was really, really good. All right, so that was my very quick 2 hours or so at Animal Kingdom. Just a tip. Don't come during Easter week. Don't even try. It's not worth it. So I'm gonna head home, and it's not even noon. But I had a good time seeing what the crowds were like today. I will be interested to see how Hollywood Studios is on actual Easter, because it's gonna probably be a nightmare just as well. Yeah, but that video, the Easter one, I'll put out soon. So you'll be able to compare the two to see if the actual day of Easter makes a difference or not, or if the whole week is just the same. But yeah, that was my little morning to show you guys the crowds today.